We now have the left and right back assemblies put together. We're ready to put the locator blocks, which are pieces of 2x4 that go at the bottom. As you can see on this swap saw here, we have pieces of 2x4 here and here, here and here. This strut rests on those. Those locator blocks have two functions. They provide a convenient shelf to locate the frame assembly, which is the upper and lower strut, assembled to the guide frame. You can set that on there as we're assembling this in the field. The second function is there's a knob here on the bottom of the guide frame. That knob is used to hold the lower strut to the guide rails. And the locator blocks keep that off the floor and keep it from being broken. We have a lot of clearance under there, and we can lower this whole thing by about 1.5 inches if we use a smaller piece of wood, a 2x3. They're available at Lowe's. I haven't seen them any other place, but we're going to make this one out of this smaller material. Okay, we have the locator blocks set on the back assembly. We measured 6 inches off of this edge to here, and 18 1/8 from this edge to this edge. They're 6 inches long. They're actually about 24 inches on center. Nothing's real critical here about the location. The top surface needs to be planar. You don't want to have them cocked at an angle. So we're going to go ahead and clamp them in place. We'll drill from the back, screw them in place, and put some glue in, and call it good. Okay, I've got some clamps here. I've got the shorter piece of unistrut to use as a straight edge. I'll take and locate this against these two. Get everything flush, square these up to the bottom. And we'll put this one on. I'm going to get a pencil and mark the locations for these on the edge so I can see it from the other side and clamp them on. Okay, now we can turn it over and screw them down. All right, we've got it turned over. We've got everything clamped, ready to go. Screwdriver ready to go. Let's drill some holes.